Hey guys, Jake here. Today I'm going to unbox and review this Plugable Thunderbolt 3 and USB docking station. Now this thing I bought for my brand new MacBook Pro 2020 with the brand new M1 processor. Now let's go see how this thing works. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. We got a lot of great videos coming up ahead. Alright guys, now let's get to unboxing this dock. Now, I will list all of the connectivity on the screen so you guys could read along with me. However, as you can see, there are tons of front access connectivity as well as a plethora of connectivity on the back. Plenty for any average power user. Now, it also comes with this 2.6 foot Thunderbolt 3 certified cable. This Thunderbolt interface is what allows for this gigabit internet, that screen output, and all of these other features such as the 6 USB-A ports and the USB-C port to work. Also included in this box is this hefty 20-volt power adapter. This connects to the dock and allows you to charge your laptop. The next thing we got is this heavily weighted base. Now this thing will allow your dock to stand upright, and since it is so heavy, it will also make sure that the thing does not tip over. You can see I try to tip it over, however it has a pretty good counterbalance to it, and you'd really have to hit hard in order to knock this dock over. Now let me set this thing up. I'm going to plug in an Ethernet to the wall. I'm going to plug in this HDMI 4K 60Hz TV up above me, and now I'm going to test the internet speed. Now as you can see, I have blazing fast internet speed from this dock. This is all thanks to the gigabit Ethernet adapter which is built into this dock. Now as you can see, I'm getting almost half of a gigabit coming right to my computer via hardwiring Ethernet connection. Same thing with my upload speeds, they're almost half a gigabit. Now, over Wi-Fi there's no way I'll ever be able to get these speeds, however with this dock I'm able to get it. Now, also, I'm going to check the speeds on this little portable hard drive. Now, as you can see, it's just a portable hard drive, so it's not going to have the highest speeds as possibly an external SSD might have. However, I'll still be able to test it out using the Blackmagic disk software on the Mac. Now, I'm going to run this test, and as you'll see, the write speeds are only around 75 megabits per second, and the read speed only around 74 megabits per second. It's not going to be incredibly fast just because this is a hard drive and not an SSD. Next thing I'm going to show you guys is it connected to this 4K TV mounted on my wall. Now, I have this plugged in, and it is running at 4K 60 Hz, just as the package says it will. Now the next thing I want to show you is this dock completely set up on my desk. Now as you can see, I decided to lay it horizontally. I also got these little rubber pads that will make it so it does not slide around. Now as you can see, I have my Ethernet, I have my display, I have all of my USB connections plugged right into this dock and only one connection on my brand new M1 Macintosh. Now this makes for an easy, clean setup on my desktop. Once I push this monitor down, you'll see everything is tucked behind my monitor, very nice and clean. You don't see much. All you see is a monitor, speakers, keyboard, and mouse. Now, if you were curious, this 2560 by 1080 display does run at native 75 Hz. So here's my final take on this pluggable dock. This thing is great. So as you saw earlier, the way I had my computer set up is right behind this monitor. And this pluggable dock makes it super simple for me to slip my laptop in and out of here if I need to go, work somewhere else other than my desk. So as you can see, this thing is very convenient. I have it laying down. I have access to what I need most. Everything back there is nothing I'm really going to need to play with too much. However, I do have my USB port, headphone jack, and I have my SD card slots, which are very, very important to me to have quick access to. And as I said earlier, this makes it super easy for me to slip my laptop out. Let's say I need to go somewhere, I could just unplug, and now my computer is a laptop again, where it once was a desktop. And this thing is very well built, and I highly recommend, if you are looking for a Thunderbolt 3 dock for your MacBook, this dock right here will do the trick for you. It is one of the best accessories I think I've ever purchased for my laptop, and I say that sincerely. And just as a reminder, I will link down below in the description the places where you could find some of the products that I'm using in this video, such as this pluggable dock. Thanks guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please give a thumbs up, please comment below your thoughts, and please subscribe if you want to see more content like this in the future. Thanks for watching. See you later.